Have you ever had a painful, red bump under your skin that seems to come out of nowhere? If so, you've probably experienced a boil. Boils are skin infections that can occur when bacteria like staph gets trapped in a hair follicle or oil gland. They're frustrating, contagious, and sometimes downright agonizing. But before you reach for the prescription antibiotics, today I'm sharing my top home remedies for boils that can help you safely get rid of these pesky infections without a trip to the doctor's office. From drawing salves to hot compresses, these natural treatments can provide relief and help clear boils in no time. First up is a hot compress. Soaking a clean washcloth in very warm water, wringing it out, and applying it to the boil for 10 to 15 minutes several times a day can help draw the infection to the surface so it can drain. Just be sure not to reuse washcloths between boil treatments. Another easy home treatment is a baking soda paste. Simply mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a small amount of water to form a spreadable paste. Apply it to the boil, cover with a bandage, and leave on for several hours before rinsing. The alkaline baking soda helps neutralize bacteria to calm infection. Does this help capture the essence of what you're looking for in an engaging intro and overview of home remedies for boils? Let me know if you would like me to expand on any part of the script or focus the content in a different direction. I'm happy to keep refining the video script until it aligns well with your vision and goals for the YouTube channel. Just say the word.